Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. This is our maths lecture for class 5, unit number 1, numbers and arithmetic operations. First of all, we will learn about place value. See the international place value chart. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. B stand for billion. Spaces in a 10-digit number, billions are placed as 1 billion. The 10-digit number is called the 1 billion and the 7-digit number called the million. By using this place value chart, we are solving the exercise. Our first question is fill in the blanks. In the international system, 1 billion is a dash digit number. 1 million is a 7-digit number. The next one is the place value of the ring digit in. The given number, the ring digit is 5, so the place value of 5 is 5 million. Now complete the sequence. 35,030,186, 35,030,286. Student, there is a sequence. It is a sequence in hundreds, and the sequence of 386 is missing. So we write 35,030,386. The next one is 35,030,486. The numbers 50,000 more than 261,835,500 is. Now we add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 which is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 which is equal to 0, 5 plus 0 which is equal to 5, 5 plus 0 which is equal to 5, 3 plus 5 which is equal to 8, 8 write as it is, 1 write as it is, 6 write as it is, 2 write as it is. So our answer is 261,885,500. So write the answer. The next one is the place value of 9 in the number is. But the given number, this is the given number. See the place value of 9. The place value of 9 is 900 million. Our next question is state whether the following are true or false as per the international place value chart. 6 billion 198,457,086 is written as 6,198,457,086. It is true. The next one is the number 200 less than 42,689,210 is. Student, first of all we will find the difference and see the answer. 0 minus 0 which is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 which is equal to 1, 2 minus 2 which is equal to 0, 8 write as it is, 9 write as it is, 6 write as it is, 2 write as it is, 4 write as it is. So our answer is 42,698,010. This is our correct answer and this answer is wrong, so it is false. Next one is the smallest 9-digit number is 10 million. No, false. The smallest digit is 100 million. The next one is the value of the ring digit in the given number. The value of the ring digit is 1, so the value of 1 is 100,000, so it is true. In the international system, 4,598,260,000 is written as this. No, it is false. We write this 4,598,260,000 260,000. So it is false. Select the correct answer from the given option. 3,735,205 in the figure. Our correct answer is 3,735,205. In the international place value chart, TM means 10 million. So our correct answer is 10 million. 200 million is a 7-digit number, 8-digit number, 9-digit number, 5-digit number. 200 million is a 9-digit number. So 9-digit number is our correct answer. Which of the following number matches with the expanded form? 6 million plus 56,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 5. So our correct answer is 6,56,725. 9,786,120,016 is written in the international system. Our correct answer is 9,786,120,016. This is our correct answer. Student, similarly you can do the question number 4 and question number 5 on your notebook and practice this question. Hope so you understand this lecture. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, have a nice day.